makes it, and the fact that he's still doing that is incredible.
It's iconic. All right, well, let's go ahead and bring in 23 ABC's Allison Gargaro. Talk about our weather forecast. Pretty comfortable for this time in July.
I know. Can you believe it? And this time last year, temperatures were well into the triple digits, but we aren't going to be seeing that for at least the next several days. But mostly clear skies here in Bakersfield. A few high thin clouds rolling in over the mountains. But today, temperatures were just 1 degree above seasonal. 99 was our high, average 98, and we are going to be seeing those near average temperatures as we head into the weekend. But 97 right now. So we were tracking a disturbance that pushed into the Pacific Northwest yesterday. That is slowly lifting, but actually bringing that wraparound clouds that we are seeing over the mountains this afternoon, continuing to see those westerly winds, but not quite as strong as this time yesterday. The strongest wind gusts are in Mojave at 23 miles per hour, but this time yesterday they were seeing nearing 40 mile per hour winds. But we are tracking yet another system that's going to be pushing into our north, so that's going to be bringing some colder air and some showers. Now, none of those showers are going to be making its way this far south. We are going to be staying nice and dry here in Kern County, but an increase in wind, so that's going to keep those temperatures near seasonal for yet another afternoon. And thankfully, air quality is going to stay in the moderate range with an AQI of 54 tomorrow, so that's a few points better than what we were seeing today. And as for those temperatures across the valley, well, they are going to be holding on to the upper 90s, but Lamont and Arvin will be briefly reaching that triple-digit mark. Up in the Kern River Valley, temperatures are going to be in the low 90s, and in Tehachapi as well as down in Fraser Park in those 80s, 79 degrees as a high in Pine Mountain Club tomorrow. And our desert city is going to be warm as well, but looks like Ridgecrest is going to be the only spot across the desert that will be reaching those triple digits again, just briefly. Most of the afternoon spent in the upper 90s. But as for temperatures as we head into your Friday and Saturday, really not going to be bad. We are tracking another system that's going to be pushing down, bringing that increase in winds as well as below seasonal temperatures. 95 degrees as a high on Friday, 96 on Saturday, and unfortunately those July temperatures that we are used to will be rolling right back into the county beginning on Monday, continuing throughout the week. 104 as a high by next Friday. The Kern River Valley will be down to the low 90s for Friday and Saturday, then upper 90s as we head into next week. And we could actually be seeing some wraparound moisture, the potential to see some isolated thunderstorms in our mountain and desert cities beginning on Wednesday. Now, that's something that we'll be tracking as we get closer. But for now, let's just talk about those below seasonal temperatures, because that's exactly what we like to hear.
Yep, that's the Cliff Notes version right there.
Yeah.
Below seasonal, we don't need to know anything else.
Before the hot, 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 hot.
Yeah,
I know. Hakuna Matata, no worries, guys.
There you go.
There you go.
Exactly. All right.